Thank you for joining me today, guys. I've got my 2002 Dodge Ram right here. It's 1500. The other day I was driving it and I turned left. I was in the neighborhood, so I wasn't going very fast. I turned left and the door, this passenger door, rear passenger door, just flew open. Luckily I wasn't around any other cars, so I was able to take this strap that I had in the truck and just finagle it around my headrest and get it to stay closed until I got to the house. Latch on the door was, I guess, like in an open position, and it wouldn't catch. And so I went on YouTube and I searched up some things. I'm gonna show you what I did to fix it, and it's a really easy fix. What I did was I just went and picked up some PB Blaster. You can see I've already sprayed it right here, but I picked up some PB Blaster, and now you're gonna have to be careful if you have a nice truck, but basically I just did that a few times. Took this latch and just moved it back and forth with this screwdriver, and it seemed to just be stuck with some goop. And I did that back and forth several times, and I sprayed it 3 or 4 times, and of course it's just running down my truck. But let's see if it's gonna catch and close. So realistically, this only took me about 5 minutes to do. To spray it, I sprayed it a couple times, wiggled the latch, sprayed it again, wiggled the latch, and I did that 4 or 5 times. Let's see if the door will close and catch now. I just wanted to pause the video right here just for a quick update before I end the video. I wanted to test the repair before posting this. I drove the truck, opened and closed the rear door several times. So far, it's been latching and staying closed like it should. I hope this helps if you're dealing with the same problem. So this is one of the easiest fixes I've had in quite a while, and I don't get easy fixes very often. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the rest of the doors with this PB Blaster while I have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. God bless you. I hope you have a good day.